Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are breaking down the Autosnipe AI referral program and seeing if it really holds up as the best among other soul trading bots. So, what makes it special and how does it compare to other platforms? Let's just find out in today's video. So, Autosnipe AI's referral program is incredibly generous. Here is how it actually works. So, when you refer a friend, you will earn 40% of the trading fee from their transaction for life, and your friend will get a 10% discount on their trading fees. This is a win win situation that benefits both the referrer and the new user. Now, you might be thinking, how does this stack up against other trading bots? Well, most competing sole boards cap their referral earning at 30% or less, and many have more restrictive conditions. Autosnipe AI's 40% commission rate is not just higher, it is also instant and lasts forever. Plus, there is no minimum trade volume eligibility, so you can start earning right away. Here is a clear comparison. While Autosnipe AI offers 50% of the trading fees split between you and your friend, other platforms only reach up to 30% and often require the new user to meet certain trade volume minimums, sometimes as high as $10,000 to $25,000 per month before commissions are paid out. Now, joining Autosnipe's referral program is quite straightforward. You just have to simply go to their website, that is Autosnipe AI. You can even use the link that is given in the description and create your account over here. Now click on the earn option, and this is basically your referral link. So you can copy your referral link from here and you can share it with your friends or family members, and then you can track your earnings through the dashboard. It's simple and transparent, so you can easily keep tabs on your passive income. So why does this actually matter? Because transparency and ease of use are crucial. With no trade volume eligibility required, you can get started instantly, and every time your friends trade, you earn. Plus, they get a discount which encourages them to use the platform more frequently. Now, here is a quick rundown of how the Autosnipe AI's referral program work. You need to share your unique referral link with friends. They register using your link and you will start earning the 40% of their trading fees, and they will get a 10% discount on every trade. Now, users can praise the Autosnipe AI referral program for its higher earning potential and ease of use. Unlike other platforms where you need to jump through hoops, Autosnipe AI makes earnings, referral income simple and rewarding. So, to sum it up, Autosnipe AI referral program is not just better, it's a game changer. If you are looking for a referral system that offers higher commission, instant payouts, and benefits your friends too, Autosnipe AI is a clear winner. So, if you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in depth looks at crypto tools and strategies. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.